Hi, welcome to our CWTC Get Connected Community Podcast to share experiences, promote services and networking and great opportunities available for residents of Oldham. Volunteering isn't just about lending a helping hand. It's about building communities, creating lasting change and sometimes discovering a new side of yourself. Whether it's planting trees, mentoring youth or driving those who are in need, volunteers around the world are shaping a better future, one act of kindness at a time. We have invited Mark Turner from HMR Circle to tell us more about how their project and on how they want to tackle those who can't access public transport. Mark, welcome to the studio. How are you today?
I'm okay, thank you, Mohammed.
Welcome. Mark, tell us about your career and what you do, what your progression has been.
Okay, Mohammed, as you know, I used to work for yourself 25 years ago. So we met then. I worked for Rochdale Adult Social Care. I was an health and social care trainer for complete training in Middleton. And then I became a social prescribing link worker for Rochdale PCN. And now I'm working for HMR Circle as the event and coordinator for Oldham and East Manchester, looking at expanding our service that's been in Rochdale for over a decade.
Brilliant. So been working hard over the years.
Yes.
Absolutely. So tell us about what does HMR Circle does and what does it actually mean?
Okay, HMR Circle stands for Haywood, Middleton and Rochdale. And as I mentioned previously, we've been established for over a decade. We help those who are vulnerable in regards to befriending service. We have a practical help service. We have a transport service that is run by volunteers. And anybody who struggles getting transport, whether it's through mental health or physical disabilities or just generally wanting to go to social events, medical appointments, hospital appointments, we provide that service.
Quite a range of services. What age range do you target?
It's for the over 50s.
Okay. And in terms of, I know you're also looking for people on the maintenance as well, isn't it?
That's
Gardening,
right.
I remember, people volunteer for gardening as well.
That's right, yeah. We have a practical help service.
I mean, it's just common as that, isn't it?
Yeah.
So these new, it's not new, I know HMR Circle has been doing this for quite a while now. So the volunteer driver service, how does it work? What does it all mean?
Okay, so we're looking for volunteer drivers in the Oldham area as we've been asked to expand into this area and there's a need.
Yes.
So what that involves is people who need to go to hospital appointments, medical appointments. They can just phone up once they're a member and they can request a driver. It's not a taxi service. You know, we do have to have 4 days notice. But volunteer drivers do get expenses of 45 pence per mile and it doesn't affect their insurance either. So it's as little or as much time as they can spare each week.
Yes. And so it's basically for those people who cannot use the transport.
That's correct.
And don't have a car.
That's right, yes.
Brilliant. So the drivers itself, you're looking for drivers. What other qualifications do they have?
Just to have their own car, really, and to dedicate some time. And it's a great benefit to the drivers as well.
Yeah.
One driver who just started with us recently said it's the best thing he's done.
Excellent.
It gets him up in the morning.
Yes.
He's meeting new people.
Feel motivated, don't you?
Yeah.
You're doing something.
Yeah, and he said his mental health is a lot better as well. His well-being.
That's what it's all about, isn't
correct,
it?
yeah.
And a helping hand.
Yeah.
And to see somebody else benefit from your good service. It's brilliant. So to contact you regarding this, what would be the process?
People just look on the website, HMR Circle, and type that into Google and there's numbers there that they can contact.
What we'll be doing as well, at the bottom of the video, we'll have your number there so that people can contact you.
Brilliant.
What other services does HMR Circle provide for the Oldham community?
Like I said, we are coming into this.
Expanding at the moment.
Yeah, expanding at the moment. Yeah. We're looking at doing luncheon clubs, putting on social events and activities. So that could be board games, line dancing sessions. It's member led as well.
Yes.
If there's an activity or event that people want to go to. So, for example, recently we all went to Cartmel races. So we organised that. So we can organise, bigger events and activities as well.
Lots of social activities.
Yes,
as well.
yeah.
So what kind of support are you looking for from Oldham?
Again, we're looking for the volunteer drivers because, obviously the service doesn't work without, the input from those people who are dedicating their time to us.
Of course, Action Together, they're always there for us. They will be providing some marketing support as well.
Yes, definitely. Action Together have been helping me quite a bit as well because I'm new into the role. So I've been, networking through various Explorer meetings.
Some of these services that you provide, are they free or do people have to pay?
The membership itself is like an annual fee. So
how much are we talking about?
It's £20 a year.
That's not bad.
No, so that's like to access everything online.
Yes.
And then it's £35 if people want to have the newsletters posted to them. Right. So it's just to cover the admin costs, really.
So, is there anything else that you want to add to your campaign for new drivers?
Yeah, please, if you've got the time. We really welcome any volunteer drivers to help out. It's a much needed service in Oldham, and hopefully you'll get in contact and we can start the ball rolling with a new service in Oldham.
Excellent. And once people go on the HMR Circle website, there are lots of activities that are happening which people can benefit from, and it's open to all. And you're doing a fantastic service.
Thank you.
And give my regard to Mark as well.
I will do.
Yeah, and hopefully when you've got more people joined up from Oldham, you're most welcome, and let us know how the progress is going.
Yes, it'd be good to do a follow-up podcast with yourself.
My pleasure. Thank you very much, Mark, for attending, and hope to see you very soon with some more good news. Keep watching. Take care.